The Food Consumption Score tool was developed to help us to understand food diversity within households. It gathers data on how frequently each week a family eats particular foods from a list of items. Food production is seasonal, and as a result, some foods are only available at particular times of the year. Therefore, it's important to gather information during the same season so that the data can be compared. The Food Consumption Score also asks households to identify their primary and secondary sources of food. For example, does a family grow their own food, buy food, trade or barter food, receive food as a gift or as food aid? Or do they get their food by some other means? Interviews are done with the person in each household who prepares the meals. The interview should be done at household level in a quiet place, preferably alone or without other family members present. The person being interviewed should firstly be asked if they're prepared to share their views. They should be assured that participation is voluntary and that all information will be confidential. The objective is to gain as clear a picture as possible of the dietary diversity within the household based on the foods that have been eaten in the previous 7 days. Ask which foods were consumed in the previous 7 days from this list: staples, maize, rice, bread or wheat, tubers or other. The household should be eating at least one staple food every day as they fill their stomachs. Other foods, groundnuts or pulses, fish, red meat, poultry or white meat, eggs, fats and oils, dairy, vegetables, fruits, sugar or sweets. Before the interview is concluded, the interviewer needs to check that they have gathered all of the relevant details from the person that they have been speaking to. What country, region and district has the interview been gathered? What's the name of the village? What's the interviewee's household number? What is their gender? What is their name? How many children in the household? Once this data is gathered, the survey has been completed.